In today's video, I will show you how to make an inverter with simplest little inverter circuit you can make your own by just scratch. Because if you live a small city, very small city, it is not electronic stores, so you cannot buy components. So you can make without any components. So it requires components, but you can. That's very easy. Your own appliance. Now those are circuit. So basically, if you have a toy car of your choice or radio, you can get this transformer for radio, and this motor that fast start, and that's this I think that series on is. So I what happened, I do motor with one wire connected positive and other wire connected to this metal frame of the motor. So but metal frame is no any terminal list, and transformer is connected in series. Transformer is also negative, first line negative to the transformer wire. This transformer is same transformer, step up transformer, step down transformer, and step as a step up transformer. So what happened is there. So well, I then give negative to this transformer, directly positive to this motor. Motor other side is connected to this chassis of the motor. Chassis motor is touching with this wire to the transformer. This wire touching to this motor. When the motor is rotate, so it is create oscillation. Motor is rotating oscillation. It is circuit breakdown and de-breakdown with a microsetting of high frequency microsetting time duration, so it then create induction of this transformer, which can pulse in by this which can generate high voltage and which can drive this. But there's the difference is that they have no need transistor, but basically transistor same job. So when I see, you can see I can touch it. So there's I think there any LED bulb 13 to 50 watt, 15, 16 or 36 watt LED as well as CFL bulb with this technique. Although it is too filtering because due to this motor rotation with high speed and this can vibrate by this wire system, that's why it can maybe flicker. That's why it is flickering, but it cannot burn this bulb because it is not. This flickering is not a very large amount of flickering. This flickering is also AC bulbs. AC home appliance is same, because when you plug in a bulb in the bulb socket, at same time also blinks with same speed with same frequency which frequency blink is right now. So it is not damage this bulb, and it is only around 1 milliamp. If I can put the let me wire balance, you can see. So this is then only touch, so there is no generate any induction spark. Although if you take a diode, it is optional. You can connect this diode across this terminal and this terminal. It is big reverse part. It is a flywheel diode to protect when any induction going in self induction is damaged this motor or the power supply, because this will generate very large amount of spikes. Well, I touch it, I receive electrical shock, but I don't touch. So previously I also mentioned it. When there is a switch, switching in these two wires, blue and blue. Well, I touch it, so I then that electrical shock. So that's why if you have a diode, you can reverse diode to these two wires. Well, these two wires is induction voltage is discharged by the diode. Yeah, this is a 16 volts, but all this is a 12 volt transformer as well as 5 volt motor. So it is this motor is what 4 volts and 2 volts for taking the which is generate. So nice for starting maybe and rub up. Well, I think this, so it still be one thing I more mention. Well, this motor is an armature which can wind the wire, armature winding, and field winding. This is DC motor, so it is not a universal motor. So this is a field winding is not. So this is a field permanent magnet in field position inside the field winding. So it is a build of the field magnet, not a field winding. For this case, bush, it is a bush motor, not a brushless motor. It is a bush one motor. For this case, bush is connecting to the terminals, and well, they are inside a bush. So this bushes are connected to our terminals of the terminal. Well, I can connect in series with transformer and power supply with motor. This is when armature is move it can braid and this braid electrically for electrical part. This is also switching by transformer, but this is transformer and not boost the watt with this test. Why it is for this thing I also not know how why it is. If you know, let me know. So because when I touch the in my case I can touch this wire into armature armature armature. So then when I touch the armature wire, so it can this armature is can act like a switch. Which means it is moving, it can braid and this braid path again, electrical connection again and this again and again. So that's why it can balance to touch it, voltage flow, and when it this touch, retouch, and there again voltage flow and voltage can boost by induction and those this bulb and this transformer to bulb, and this bulb is working. So it is a quick little, small little scratch made inverter circuit. And I am also try to make with this motor with other different projects more. Let me turn off different projects like a USB fan or table fan for laptop using or power bank, or if you can use also your mobile, but smartphone maybe not work because some smartphone are protection voltage cannot flow phone to back, and this video can have a